In this video, you will learn how to cut and slice a bell pepper in 6 different ways. If you'd like to learn how, continue watching. So every bell pepper has a top and bottom in which we want to target first. But let's use a paring knife to cut off the top bud. Then using a jagged edge knife, slice the top straight down. And then we want to use a knife and spoon to take out the seeds. And guys, there are so many ways to cut a bell pepper, but I hope these ways will also be helpful to you. Turn the bell pepper on its belly and slice the other end off. Then slice down as thin as you like for circles, which can be used for burgers, salads, or decorations. Turn it on its back and cut from the middle straight down. Remove the inner organ, and then you can cut it in half again, and let's do some medium julienne slices. Next, we will cut julienne slices, but we will create diced bell peppers. Now the top and bottom of the bell pepper, they're very stern, but don't throw away. You can cut them into dices as well as chunks and can be used for broths, soups, and sauteing, etc. I remember as a child that part used to be in the refrigerator with the seeds, and when it rottens, then it's time to throw away. But let's not throw it away, guys. We're now slicing for thin julienne slices, and you can use a paring or chef knife, and these can be used for art, salads, whichever you prefer. What I'm doing here is very simple. I'm creating big chunks here. So these can be stored in containers in the refrigerator so your prepping veggies can be much quicker when cooking. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.